Hey, what's happening world? Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Protect-On tablet folio case that I got at Walmart, and it's brand new. I just got it in today, so I got this for my Galaxy Tab A, and I have it right there. I'll show you that in a bit. So yes, and you all noticed by now this is your typical accessory, and yes, I got it at Walmart for a good price, for less than 20. And today's review is totally different. This is not a knife review like I always do, so today's a different review. And I just got this at Walmart, and it's brand new. So I got this for my Galaxy Tab A, and we're going to try it on. And yes, it does fit. I placed it on there, it fits. We'll show you that in a bit. Okay, well, just to unbox it, just open this, take this out, and the best thing, I got it in the store, got it in online, got it right away. And yes, a totally different review today. Okay, just take this out, no problem. And yes, it's brand new. And there you go. Before we place it on there, I'll just show you a good close-up of this. And yeah, you all know this. This is your typical accessory. You already know how this works. And yes, I got a good deal on this. I got this for less than $20. It's brand new. Just got it in the store rather than online. Okay, let's just show you a close-up of this, and you already know how this goes. Okay, so now let's place it in. Okay, let me show you my Galaxy Tab A once again. So this is what this is what I bought it for. And yes, this is my second tablet case. And yes, I got this at Best Buy for a good price. I got this for over $160, and definitely worth getting. This is the best tab I ever had. So this is for a Tab A only. Okay, let's put it in there. Let's show you how it works, and you already know how it goes. Let's have a good, eye view right here. Hold on. Okay, right there. So all you do is just slip it on there like this. Okay, make sure you can see that very well. And there you go. It goes in, no problem. And yes, it fits. It fits. It holds in properly. I already fitted it on there earlier ago. It fits, and yes, I got my money's worth. So I got this for around 16 plus tax, less than 20. Got my money's worth again. And yes, this is your typical accessory. And yes, you can pick this up at any Walmart stores you go, anytime, anywhere. And yes, this is a totally different review, not a knife review like I always do. So yes, today's a different review, and this is my second tablet case. Okay, now let's just show you a good close-up of this, and you already know how it goes in. And I'll tell you the downside to it in a bit. Okay, and right there, it's aligned perfectly. There's nothing wrong with that. There go the speakers, the charger, your power button, volume button, headphones that align perfectly. And the best thing, let me show you right there, there's the camera. It holds in, it aligns perfectly. A lot of these cases don't align perfectly, but I got myself a good one here for less than $20. Definitely worth getting. And yes, you can pick it up anytime, anywhere at Walmart, no problem. Yes, this will only fit the Tab A's only, not for the old other models. Yeah, this is for Tab A's only. So for those of you who have a Tab A, this is the best thing to get. Okay, let's just show you how this works, and you already know how this goes. Like that. Yes, it holds in perfectly. No problems at all. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with it. And yes, I have to say this is one of the best tabs I ever had. I've been using this for, wow, almost 2 years now, extensively, and it's in great shape. No problems with it at all. Okay, and yes, your usual standing mode. Hold on, let me show you right there. There you go, like that. Just your usual, standing mode like that. No problem. Okay, let's show you a good close-up of this, and you already know how this goes. Goes like that, no problem. Your your usual stance. And closes like that. It's magnetic. And yes, it's perfectly aligned. It doesn't bulk up. It's very slim, easy to carry. And yes, this is your usual EDC everyday carry and your transport. And yes, right there's the camera. Yes, it does not block the camera. A lot of these cases block the camera, but it's in good shape. I'll show you that in a bit. Okay, well, the downside to this is it's not it's not genuine made, so it can easily wear down, and tear, depending how you use it. So it's not like genuine weight. I have to be honest with that. And yes, as always, it's made in China, so we won't deny that. And it's very cheap, so it can easily wear down after a while. So that's the downside to it. But the good side, it's aligned perfectly, fits good. And yes, the one thing you don't want to do is end up dropping it. It's very regretful. So that's one thing you don't want to do. And yes, no problem. Satisfied with my purchase again. We got it at Walmart for less than $20. Good deal. So this is my second tablet case. Okay, I'll show you. And yes, the tab works good. Let me show you. Just tap the screen like that. Works good. Looks good and works good. And yes, if you want to get this, go right ahead for less than $20. No problem. Good for the price. And satisfied with my purchase again. So yes, this is for Galaxy Tab A's only. So for those of you who have Tab A, this is the best thing to get for less than $20, no problem. And yes, you can pick it up anytime, anywhere. And you already know where to look. And this is my second tablet case. Okay, now let's just show you the usual stance. Tap the screen again, and yes, it works good. This is one of the best tabs I ever had. Hold on, let's show you a good close-up of this. And there you go. Works good, looks good. Right there, no problem. Yeah, your usual. Yeah, usual standing mode. Yeah, it works like that. Okay, let's tap it again. You can see that very well. And there you go. And yes, you all know your usual accessory. You know how that works. And to close it, yes, very slim, easy to carry. Yeah, your usual EDC and everyday carry. And the one thing you don't want to do is end up dropping it. It's very regretful. Okay, let's show you this right here. Yes, it aligns perfectly. It doesn't block the headphones, the power button, volume button, and the speaker, and what do you call this? The charger right there. It does not block that. Yes, easy to handle, easy to carry, very slim, and good for the price for less than $20. Definitely worth it. Anytime, anywhere, you can pick it up. Right there, there's the camera. It does not block the camera. That's a good thing. And yes, it is brand new. I just got it in. And yes, I'm satisfied with my purchase again. No problems at all. So the only downside to it can easily wear down. And yes, it's not genuine made. It's not like real leather, so it can wear down depending how you use it. So that's the only downside to it. But overall, yeah, holds perfectly. Okay, let's show you again. Let's show you how it holds up. There you go. It doesn't fall off. It holds in pretty tightly. And yes, this is for Galaxy Tab A's only. Okay, let's show you again one more time. There you go. Works good, looks good, and I've been using this for for about almost 2 years now, and it's in great shape. I've been using this extensively, and it's in great shape. One of the best tabs I ever had. I got this at Best Buy. And there you go. It holds perfectly. It doesn't fall out. And definitely worth it. Okay, so there you have it. I give you a good eye glimpse and review and unboxing of the what do you call this? The Protect-On tablet case. What do you call this? Yeah, it's called Protect-On tablet Folio case for Galaxy Tab A's that I got at Walmart. So if you want to get this, yeah, go right ahead for less than $20. So yeah, you can get this at Walmart. At any Walmart stores you go, anytime, anywhere. You know, good deal. Okay, so there you have it. I gave you a good review on the Protect-On tablet Folio case that I got at Walmart. So if you come across this, let me know what you think. Feel free to subscribe if you like the video any way you want. And also check out my channel. I have other reviews, so please do that. Check out my channel for my other reviews. And thank you for watching.